Well. Hello. So it's Monday again. It's Monday again, which means starting this wonderful work week as a web developer. And all right, so I guess we can check at our tasks, but I was pretty much doing an audit of accessibility, design, and other kinds of issues. Here it is. Okay, so we need to check on the project. So let's first of all deploy locally and open the code base, and maybe I should preemptively restart the computer because, well, I don't know if it's because Ubuntu is bloated or it's making not good use of the internal memory of the CPU or something like that. But when I open more than one VS Code instance, my computer starts to, well, eventually it slows down to a crawl and I have to restart it. Anyway, let's get started. I just run this script, right? And I am checked out in this branch because I have too many things open here. I don't wait. Accessibility audit. Okay, yes. Do full audit. Let's rename this thing to full audit. Yes. Let's hide this and let's skip this. Sure. Okay. Form current. I guess I can leave this open. Well, I don't really need this. Let's close it. Let's add it to version control. There you go. Oh yeah. I need to enter the password because I have if I push changes to the remote repo, this is keyed with GPG, I think. GitHub GPG. I have a key, and every time this is it's a signature of my commits to the remote repo. So it's a proof that it's me who did it, basically through my password. Well, it's me or someone who knew my password. And so if I go to to my repo, actually, to my fork, if I go to my fork and I check the commits, I see this little tag, which means it's verified. Wait, this is not me. This is my, oh, that's the develop branch. So I'm merging commits from the upstream repo. My branch is called give me here, this one, for example. It doesn't matter which. I see this tag which says verified on my commit. It says verified because for pushing these commits I entered this key. and you have to set it up on GitHub. It's a way to confirm, like confirm with a pretty high degree of certainty that you are the actual author of these commits and it's not someone else impersonating you, which is good for safety. So let's run this project. I'm thinking I just run this script, right? First of all, is it live already? Yeah, it is. Interesting. Okay, so if it's live, then I just run this. I don't do anything. Let's just run the watch. This thing, yes. Just run that. But this is the old design because I did a merge my design changes in this branch with. So we have, hold on, this is the audit. I am in the last step. If I log in as user. Oh, hey, welcome. Apparently someone joined the streaming. I log in as user and then I am here and then I have a bunch of things. Let's put this aside. I have a bunch of accessibility issues and style issues. Attributes drawer has plenty of accessibility issues. And design wise, it looks pretty terrible. This form looks bad. The focus rings look bad on the top for some, well, because probably there's something overlapping or they are extending beyond the borders of this container. The lots of missing labels. This doesn't have labels, so it's very bad. And apparently there are some empty labels, lack of color contrast in buttons, like those probably. The lead button needs area label. Yes, page should use a component I built for the title and breadcrumbs. And attributes drawer also has plenty of accessibility issues. Okay, the label actually looks okay. So what are those? Okay, this is a contrast issue. This is also a contrast issue. There is a missing content in this table header. This layout table is present. Okay, yeah, but in this case it makes sense. It's just an empty table. Maybe I should not show this table if it's empty. Then there is an contrast issue here. There is a list, yes. Okay, I mean, but it looks pretty terrible. And then yeah, the buttons don't use the brand colors. What did I write here? 80 with a spreadsheet button has all look. 80? What am I trying to say here? 80. Widget? Let's call it widget. Or a box, let's call it box. Tip box looks wacky. Yeah, this looks pretty wacky. Attributes drawer looks terrible in all possible ways. Yes, it looks very terrible. Well, yes, pretty terrible. And okay, this is probably not responsive. It doesn't need to be because we are not aiming for responsiveness. um, and then there are some like functional issues. For example, if let's call it, let's say let's add this thing here, test. Let's add this one. Let's close this. We have these attributes. Wait a second. Actually, let's select something here. Let's say annotation, lorem. Okay, so I have this one. This is really okay. So there's some other issue here. Let's wait. What? This doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Maybe I have to. Maybe the backend is not running. What is happening here? Maybe this should actually remove. I'm sure. I think I need to actually run the init script. So let's run this thing. And while this is running, I'm gonna grab coffee quickly. Okay. This is running, which means let's use the watch. I mean, yeah, why not? Let's run this thing also. Let's refresh this. It's the, I think, what is? Oh yeah, because I run the script. That means the whole database is being reset. Still logged out as user though, but I don't have anything here. So in another browser session, like here, for example, let's copy this, paste it here. Then let's sign in as admin. Okay, let's handle this entry, and here let's select this, save. Let's go back. Let's go to the box. Let's click here. Hold on. I have this thing, right? Yeah, I have this thing. So let's click here and let's send the email. And if I now go here and refresh this, I have this thing. Select some files like this one. Okay. Upload these files. Go to the next one. Now here, if I click here, now it works. Yes, now it works. The problem is, well, I don't know if it's a problem. I guess it's not necessarily a problem. It's just a bit counterintuitive. If I delete things here, they're not really deleted. They just mark as being deleted, and I need to define all these fields so that I see this button here to save all the changes. But if I click on deleting one of those files, it's marking the client as this is gonna be deleted, but it's not deleted. It's only really deleted if I click this button. Once I click this button, all the changes I'm doing here are applied. And this is not. I think this user experience is pretty bad. Let me grab my coffee. So is this broken? Not really. Is it perfect? Not by far. By far it's not perfect at all. But it's not broken either. So I don't care about that now. It's just a bit counterintuitive. Because I have deleted this third one, but if I refresh, I actually see it again. So I think well, I mean, there are things I could do around that, but it's not exactly broken. And if you are editing this thing, you shouldn't really, if you refresh, you should kind of expect that all the changes that happened, that you did, get reset. That's more or less reasonable from a user perspective. So that's not a problem. I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't want to worry about that now. That's not a bug. Kind of feels like a bug because if I click here and then I go to the previous step to upload more files, and then I go upload this file, I go next, then the file I previously deleted is here still again. It would be not this one. Okay, so they are in what order is this? They follow some order, but I don't know what order. But the file whose delete button I clicked before is here again. Which is, yeah, again, it's a bit counterintuitive, but it's okay. So no bugs there, basically. This is awkward. This box here is awkward. Really awkward. Yeah. So I fill all these fields. Let's delete some of these files. Load them. Oh gosh, yes. Ipsum. Let's add some attributes. Yeah. I'm just typing random things in the. It's not the same. Almost the same. I was just smashing my keyboard. I get almost the same thing the 3 times. Okay, yeah, that's another one. Up. And okay. If I close this thing, I don't see the attributes anymore. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best UI. This is not the best UI. If I click here, then I see this, okay, which is not great. So let's maybe take a screenshot of this. And it could be a success alert. Does not look great, basically. That, yes. After file submission. After file submission. And basically nothing else here. If I click here, I can't. But this is outside the scope of the things I need to check. And I don't. As a user, how on earth do I see the files and the attributes? I can't. Apparently I can't. What about as an admin? If I go here and I take a look at this. Okay, sure, this is a bit meh. And only watch published articles. And so I uploaded a bunch of files and I added some attributes to the files. So where are they? Yeah, I guess it's somewhere else. Maybe files. There's a DOI here. Maybe filter by DOI. No? Okay. Samples? No, it's not samples. No. I don't think. What about attributes? Have this ID. Allow units. Okay, no, this is not. This is not what I'm looking for. So I don't know how an admin can look at the files and its attributes, honestly. Maybe you can't. I mean, you definitely can, but maybe it doesn't work in the local setup. So, okay, so I finished this admin in this part. I need to check this on Firefox also. If it opens. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. In Firefox with NVDA. For NVDA, I need Windows. And in Windows, wait, hold on. I'll have to do this off streaming. Or install stream from Windows. But the thing is that I need to. I would need to have a preview branch of this to check it on Windows because, or deploy it on Windows. Yeah, I guess I could deploy the project on Windows. I guess I could. I guess it could be possible. So I can either deploy locally on Windows, which should totally be possible, but I need to install a bunch of things. Basically set up a web dev environment on Windows, which may be something I want to do anyway. And, or somehow get a preview branch deployed remotely and be able to check this remotely, which I don't know if we have it. I don't. We have. I don't think we have it. We have maybe Maybe this. Yeah, maybe we have this thing here. Let's check this thing. Let's see if we have this here. Let's see, admin staging. Wait, we have staging. Okay. Go to admin. Then here we're gonna have completely different things, of course. And maybe I just pick. I mean, maybe there is the same document. Maybe I have no idea. Let's check it. Oh, we have this thing. Oh yeah, we have this one. But if I change this, yeah, hold on, I need to set up the user. The thing is, I'm not sure I want to change this thing. And I would need to check what is the actual user. User, just user. Can I type here? Yes, I can. User, it's not here. User GigaDB. In staging. Should be here, right? Okay. This is not. Well, this is definitely not either. This is not an email address. Yeah, so I don't have I would have to ask around, or okay, so the only option I have realistically right now, without getting further help, is to deploy locally on Windows. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this off streaming because I would have to set up streaming software on Windows just for this, and I think I'll skip it because because NVDA is a screen reader which is available only on Windows, and I want to use a screen reader also. Although hold on, maybe I should do it after I fix the existing issues. Yeah, maybe I should do it after I fix the existing issues. Yes, I think so. So there are two audits I have left to do: Firefox and NVDA, and Safari and VoiceOver. And VoiceOver is the screen reader for Mac OS X. For NVDA, I'm gonna use my Windows install. I have a dual operative system in this computer, and for Safari, I'm gonna use for Safari a tool whose name I don't remember now. Let's see if I find out. Safari. There is browser stock, but there's something free. I just don't remember the name of that. Let's see, Kudos browser testing. It's not browser stock. It's is it Soslovs? Lambda test. It's Lambda test. This tool is really good for cross browser. It's free, and you can do accessibility testing with screen reader. Very good. This is really good tool. It's better than. I didn't try this one. No. It's better than browser stack for my taste. The user interface is nicer. It's what it's. You can use it for free. You can't really use browser stack for free. It's impossible because it has a time limit of 1 minute or something like that, or maybe 5. I'm not sure, but it's not. It's impractical. With this, you can have a session open for I think as long as you want, and you can do accessibility testing, which is really good. So I'm actually gonna skip testing the cross browser. I'm gonna leave cross browser testing for the end. After I fix the current issues, that makes sense. So I'm gonna tasks. Wait. Okay, fair enough. So I'm gonna do fix existing only and style issues. Then oops. And screen reader testing. Firefox plus MBDA, Safari, come on, Safari, it doesn't matter, voiceover, Lambda test. Yep. Deploy locally on Windows. Oh, wait a second. What about this? Yeah, I can also deploy locally here. I can access my local Ubuntu deploy through tunneling, through SSH tunneling, I think. I could technically test Firefox and NVDA in Lambda test also, but I mean, this is good, but it's always better to if you can test it locally, your own OS X, your own operative system. So okay, so this is done. This audit is done. This is also done. And then fix existing, sure, fix existing. Which are not so many. It's not so much. Let's close this. Let's close this. Okay. And then I guess I'm gonna go and expand the tickets a little bit. So I created tickets for this, so issues, or I guess, yeah, okay, I have a few issues here. Can I now go and delete these tickets? Not really, I can close them. Do I have front-end work here, I guess? No, actually front-end work. So how do I actually go about this? I think, I think it's better if I go page by page. Basically, I need to create tickets for this and then fix the tickets. And I think, from experience with this team, it's better to have tickets which are as fewer as the least possible amount of tickets at the expense of tickets being pretty large, because the rate of PR approval is about 1 PR every 2 weeks, regardless of how complex the PR is. Well, to a point. To a point. Very big PR will take 1 month to be approved. Really tiny PR will take 2 weeks to be approved. So huge PRs, very small number of huge PRs. The least the oh my, how I cannot, where did my English grammar go? As fewer PRs as possible. Is that correct? As fewer PRs as possible. I'm not sure if that's correct English grammar, but let's say it is. Now it is. Okay, now it is. From this point forwards, this is correct English grammar. So I say. Yeah. So why is it so warm here? Which means I should try to clump together these issues all into as few tickets as possible without going overblown. And so I think this would be one ticket. This is gonna be one ticket, and this is gonna be one ticket. Yeah. Okay. No, actually, this is empty labels. It's not so much. It's not so much. But it definitely wants this ticket should incorporate. Okay, let's make a few notes here. Needs integration and full changes. Yep. Needs integration. Yep. Accessibility style. This needs yeah, everything that needs style needs the integration, but also obviously needs this thing. And then if admin set status, so this is admin, this is admin, this is admin. Okay, so needs integration. This is gonna be one ticket. So my nose is a bit running. One moment. Yeah, so I created these 3 tickets, but I didn't think it through. Why is there a comment here? Yeah, so this is not good. I'm gonna create a ticket. Fix I'm gonna create a new issue. I'm gonna call this issue product. Yes. And this is gonna be called fix style layout and accessibility issues. Fix accessibility. Fix style layout, and I like this rings better. Full feature. An audit audit of the full feature from admin side and user side. Unveils the following unveil the following issues. Unveil the following issues. Note. Hold on. What I want to do is to create tickets here. Unveil issues grouped in the following tickets. Unveil issues grouped in the following issues. List of issues which are grouped in the following. Note. The audit was done with Chrome. With Chrome only. Second pass after these are fixed, a second pass on Firefox and Safari plus screen readers can be done to Veritas fixer cross browser testing will take place. Yeah, because should I put the reason? Nah. Okay, so let's submit this issue. Let's open this, let's open this, let's open this. So my streaming stopped. For some reason, my computer is freaking out. Just because I opened a few tabs. Okay. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay. And okay, let's refresh this one. Come on, what is happening here? My computer is being so slow. And I'm a bit scared of getting so slow, man. Do we have this issue? Copy. No, what this issue 1695. Please ignore this issue in favor of 1695. Let's copy this thing. Hold on. Edit. Update comment. Let's delete this thing. Let's put this thing here. Please ignore this issue in favor. Close with comment. Yes. Please ignore this issue. Fix layout. Yes. Close with comment. It's okay. I think I can keep this one. And then we open this, which is here also. And I need to create the subtickets for this. So I'm going to okay, I'm gonna edit this. Yup. Here I'm gonna list the issues. Yes, so I'm gonna (695). I created an issue to related to accessibility and styles for this feature. Yeah, let's comment this out. Let's add this comment. Now I need to create this bunch of issues. I would like to just jump into fixing this everything in the master branch, but I can't. So bad luck. And let's see. And styling issues in admin full workflow in admin admin full workflow. Yeah, let's fix what happened with the music. Fix accessibility and accessibility. Yeah, sure. Let's then list the issues here. Okay. Style after clicking. What happened with the music? And if I follow link, hello? Okay. Can I do this? Yep, I can. After clicking Dropbox button, yes, that's okay. By the way, I prefer to use this other than the star style. Just copy the whole thing. These layers are changing. Cannot write changing to FTTPs. These alerts after changing to FTTP don't have the new colors. Okay, so maybe, I mean, how important is this? Not very important. But it's a brand colors. This is not very important. This is tiny, really tiny. Fix in admin and user. How do I call this ticket? In admin full workflow and user profile page. Yes. This is the same. Yes. Hold on. Let me not add space here. Fix if admin says an email, user clicks upload files and gets an error. Yep. And then hold on. This is the same page, right? After files after files submission is completed, success alert does not look Success alert. Positioning positioning on the screen can be improved. Style, this is style. SS, no, remove that. Not good. Okay, so this is pretty simple actually, or at least it looks pretty simple on the surface. So I'm gonna submit this issue. I'm gonna slow, very slow, so slow. What is it doing? Why should this be so slow? What is it doing? Let's remove this thing. Let's go here. Let's do that. Actually, let's it's not even here. Okay, let's do this. Then this needs the how do I add required? No branches, notifications, projects. How do I add dependencies here? Edit, not this thing. Let's go. How do I hold on? I know in the GitHub issues you can set, for example, this issue depends on another branch. For example, if I check the issues here, then if I go here, then I see, oh, depend out here. I see it's just like this, depends on. Okay, I think in GitLab, well, in another file tracker you can set this branch depends on this one. In Jira you can do that. In Jira, you can create a ticket, and then you can specifically tell through a drop down or something like that this ticket requires that another ticket is completed before working on it. But here you can just do this. Depends on. So let's go here. Let's edit this thing. Okay. Yes. Depends on a PR. So let's. Okay. Yes. Sure. Let's go to the I guess PRs, pull requests. Here, this one. Either branch from this PR or wait for it to be merged to, yeah, if this branch is merged, work from develop. Otherwise, if this PR emerge, if this PR is merge, work from develop, branch. Otherwise, work from this. Wow, what the fuck? From this. From branch. What is all this? You just want, I mean, yeah, fair enough. It's okay. From giga. Oh, no. Copy. So it copies the link also, which is okay. Update. Okay, there you go. So another issue. For the backlog item, fix fix accessibility and styles issues in authorized datasets in file upload page of full feature. Yeah, delete all this. Okay, let's actually, oh gosh, my computer is so slow. Hello Mayank, how are you? Mayank Srivastava, where are you from? Sounds like kind of a Russian name. Srivastava. My computer is so slow right now. What is happening? Why does it take? Why can't I select? There you go. What is going on? It's like everything is like 1 second delayed. Low? Yeah, I think I kind of need to restart my computer. I have no idea why it's so slow. Is it the streaming maybe that makes it slow? It's possible. Yeah, I mean it's let's see. Let's if it keeps being slow, I restart. Let's continue a little bit more. Okay, so let's add these issues here. Let's copy this URL. And yep, let's do this, because then I will restyle this a little bit. So no image is taking here. Wrong green, no. And green is not brand color. Let's take a screenshot of the page. I guess. But I need to what is the admin thing here? No. There, I closed it. Yeah, it's really slow. Yeah, it's really slow. Really slow. So slow. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna restart my computer. I'm gonna save this. Let's mark it as work in progress. Submit. I'm gonna copy. Oh gosh. Hello? Please don't break on me.